Hi, in this video I will show you how to knit magic loop. It is a technique that allows you to knit projects with a small circumference with a long circular needle. This is very budget friendly since you can use the same cord length for every project and only have to buy a new needle if the needle size doesn't fit. For magic loop, you need a circular needle with a long cord. Your needle should be at least 80 centimeters long. First, cast on all of your stitches. I will cast on 24 stitches in total. After the cast on, push the stitches down onto the cord. Divide your stitches into 2 halves and pull out the cord in the middle of your stitches. This is the magic loop. Make sure that you didn't twist the stitches. Push the stitches of the first half down onto the left needle. The working yarn should be connected to the right needle. Get your left hand ready to knit and pull out the right needle with your right hand. Pull out enough cord so that you can knit comfortably. Now knit across the first half of the stitches. Next, we need to switch needles. For that, push the stitches down onto the cord. Turn the needles around. Push the second half of the stitches down onto the left needle. Pull out the right needle so that you can continue to knit. Knit across the second half of the stitches. Now repeat the same process every time you have knitted across one of the needles. So turn the needles around and push the stitches of the next half down onto the left needle. Pull out the right needle and continue knitting. Changing needles will become much easier once you have knitted a few more rounds. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.